Are you posting on YouTube right now and not getting paid for it? Or even worse, you're posting on YouTube, you're getting paid, but it's not enough money and you wanna make even more money. I get it. We all wanna make money as creators, and this video is gonna teach you how to make over $10,000 every single month just posting YouTube shorts. And the good news is you don't need a minimum subscriber account, you don't need to be producing hundreds of shorts videos every single week, and you don't need to be putting in that much time or that much effort to be able to make over $10,000 every single month on YouTube. In fact, there are two ways that you guys are gonna be able to monetize your shorts. The first one is through the Shorts Fund. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get into the Shorts Fund, how to make money from the Shorts Fund, how much you're gonna get paid, and how you can actually make videos for YouTube Shorts for the Shorts Fund without coming up with your own content. And then secondly, I'm gonna show you a secret way that you guys could be monetizing your YouTube Shorts that a lot of people don't know about, because a lot of people think that the Shorts Fund is the only way to be able to monetize YouTube Shorts, but that is not true. In fact, there's another way to be able to monetize Shorts, and you can make way more than $10,000 a month, which right now is the cap for the Shorts Fund. Now, I know you're probably thinking to yourself right now, but Rob, I thought that YouTube Shorts weren't monetizable, and it couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, so many creators, tens of thousands of creators, are making so much money off of YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you wanna grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and you wanna make more money on these platforms, you need to make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. In addition to that, I created a free YouTube growth course that's gonna tell you how to get your first viral video on YouTube Shorts, and all you have to do to get it is go to the link in the pinned comment below. Again, it's 100% free. Get into it while it's free, because I will be charging for it in the future. So for starters, with the YouTube Shorts Fund, they're paying out between $100,000 to $10,000 every single month if your videos apply to the YouTube Shorts Fund. Now remember, there are a bunch of rules that you guys need to be following and criteria that you need to be hitting on your YouTube Shorts, which I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video, because 99% of you guys are actually messing this up, and it's why you're not making money from the YouTube Shorts Fund. So, in order to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund, you need to fit the following criteria. First, you would have had to upload a short within the past 180 days. Now, yeah, that's a really easy one for you guys to be hitting. The second one is you need to make sure that your videos are not violating YouTube's community guidelines. If they are violating YouTube's community guidelines, they're not gonna be monetizable. Honestly, this isn't something that a lot of you guys have to worry about, because I'm gonna guess that a lot of you guys aren't actually violating their guidelines. Third, and this is where most of you guys are messing up, you need to make sure that you are not uploading videos that have a watermark from somewhere else. This means if you're uploading videos from TikTok or you're uploading videos from another platform and there's a watermark, this is why you're not getting monetized. And if you have videos like that on your channel, it's gonna prevent you from getting monetized in the future, which is why I strongly suggest stop reposting those videos. Make sure that there are no watermarks anywhere on your content, because it's going to ruin your ability to be able to monetize in the future and just to be able to get into the Shorts Fund and get chosen for it. And the next one is really easy. You have to be over 13 years old. I'm gonna guess that since you're watching this video, you are over 13 years old. So to recap, one, you must be uploading YouTube Shorts. Secondly, you need to make sure that you're not violating their community guidelines or their copyright guidelines. Third, you need to make sure that there are no logos anywhere on your YouTube Shorts, because it will prevent your channel from getting monetized through the Shorts Fund. And then finally, make sure that you're over 13 years old. Now, those are just the guidelines for being eligible to get chosen for the Shorts Fund. Now we need to go in how to actually get chosen. So, every single month, YouTube is gonna be choosing tens of thousands of people that are then gonna get chosen for the YouTube Shorts Fund, and you're gonna be able to make money off of certain shorts. That being said, their criteria on what it takes to be able to get into the YouTube Shorts Fund isn't clear, and it changes on a month-to-month basis. But the odds of you getting chosen are gonna be higher depending on how many YouTube Shorts you're uploading. I would strongly suggest, if you wanna get chosen for the fund, I would be uploading 1 to 2 YouTube Shorts every single day. In addition to that, you need to make sure that as many of these posts are going viral as possible. What YouTube Shorts Fund is actually optimizing for, and they don't explicitly say this, but they're optimizing for people that are, one, being consistent with posting on YouTube Shorts, and two, keeping people on the app by uploading YouTube Shorts that go viral often. Now, I'm not saying that your posts need to go viral every single time. Don't even bother going for that. In fact, strategy number 2 that I'm gonna be sharing with you later on in this video, which will actually be able to make more than $10,000 a month from posting on YouTube Shorts, has nothing to do with any of the stuff that I'm gonna share with you right now. So this stuff all pertains to the YouTube Shorts Fund, but there is another strategy that you could be taking with your YouTube Shorts where you don't actually have to get viral posts, and you don't have to get your videos chosen by YouTube to then enter the Shorts Fund. Now this brings me to something very important that we need to talk about the Shorts Fund. You're gonna get paid on those posts. It doesn't matter when they were uploaded. So you could have uploaded a video 12 months ago, but actually get chosen for the Shorts Fund this month or next month, or maybe it was last month that you got chosen. In addition to that, whether or not you get chosen varies on a month-to-month basis. So just because you didn't get chosen last month doesn't mean you won't get chosen this month. Just because you didn't get chosen this month doesn't mean you won't be getting chosen next month. So I strongly suggest that you stay patient and stay continuing to upload YouTube Shorts so that you then get chosen for the Shorts Fund. Now, this brings me to the most important part of the YouTube Shorts Fund, which is they're going to tell you after the first of the month whether or not you qualify. They're going to shoot you an email and there's going to be a notification on your YouTube channel. You need to make sure that you claim this bonus. If you do not claim the bonus, you will not get it and it'll disappear before the 25th of the month. If you do not claim this bonus, you are going to not get this money. There's no going back if you didn't claim it. There's no doing anything like that. There's no freaking out on YouTube. You cannot do that. So you need to make sure you need to be checking both your email and your notifications at the beginning of the month to see whether or not you got a shorts bonus. And if you did, you need to claim it before the 25th. Otherwise, it's going to be gone forever. Now, contrary to popular belief, there is another way for you guys to be monetizing your YouTube Shorts, and you need to take this into consideration. So for you to be in the Shorts Fund, you have to be getting views from the Shorts feed. But Shorts also show up in two other places. They show up on the homepage and they show up in search results. What does this mean for you? This means that if somebody views one of your videos from a desktop or even from a mobile device, but they clicked on it on the home feed or they clicked on it in the search results, guess what happens? An ad shows before you actually see the video. Guess what that means? That you are going to get paid ad revenue from that. This means that you should be doing two things with your monetizing your YouTube Shorts strategy. One, trying to optimize certain videos to get on the Shorts feed, but then secondly, making sure that you're also optimizing for things that show up in Shorts. For example, you could do a how to make money with affiliate marketing, or you could do how to do hacks on Minecraft, or anything like that. Whatever's searchable within your specific niche, I would also make Shorts about that, because if you can tap into something that gets searched all the time, you're gonna have posts that make $100, $1,000, $10,000 every single month, and they don't require you to get chosen for the Shorts Fund. So if you think about it, you can actually double dip with YouTube Shorts. With long form content on YouTube, you only get paid from ads that get shown before, during, or after the video. But with YouTube Shorts, depending on where your short is showing up, you're either one, getting paid from the Shorts Fund, or two, you're getting paid from regular ads, which is exactly why I strongly suggest you guys take Shorts way more seriously if you want to start making tens of thousands of dollars a month on YouTube. That being said, if you do want to monetize your YouTube Shorts, not in the Shorts Fund, but just through regular ads, you need to have over 1,000 subscribers, which is exactly why I made this video we're going to put up on the screen next. It's going to show you how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in the next 10 minutes. I strongly suggest you check it out next.